Hi, I'm Dr. Rosy Sandhu and today we are doing a Botox treatment. The way to do this after we cleanse and use alcohol to really work as an antiseptic, there will be 5 injection points. So we want to be careful that we are not injecting anywhere close to the eyebrow, but if we inject a little bit of Botox right across this area and in the center, most of her lines will be gone. I usually like to just squeeze the muscle so that it just distracts the patient and prevents any discomfort. Let's give it about 7 to 10 days to see full results from the treatment. So that concludes our Botox treatment.
Neem Medical Spa. Look and feel your absolute best.